I am in Thailand, in Phuket town, in the old Phuket town, and now we are going to visit Thalang Road. Let's go. I hope the sound quality is okay because there is really a lot of noise here. Really a lot of car. Maybe you will not hear me very well. So the little story about Thalang Road. There was a place here and it was really well decorated and people started to take a lot of selfie. And then other place did the same. They did great decoration, and now you have the famous Thalang Road with all those very well decorated cafes and all those beautiful souvenir shops. I mean, the decoration here is really great. The city, the road here looks like a theme park a little bit. It has a very artificial feel to it. It's a pleasant place to have a walk, have some ice cream, have a coffee, and buy some souvenir. It's the second time I come here in Thalang Road. And I really enjoy it. A lot of tourists today. So you can see there is I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the road is not really long. I am almost halfway through it. But on the road itself you have a lot of gallery. But most of those, the shopping gallery, they sell more or less the same thing. Like you have been to one gallery, all the other gallery are more or less the same. Enjoy the architectural detail of the older architecture of the city, of the town. So that's another one of those souvenir galleries. Let's go through it. Do you like buying a lot of souvenirs? Personally, if I buy some souvenirs for gift, but not for me. I travel so much, and at the end when you travel like really a lot like me, at the end you start losing those things, so you start to forget where you bought them. It's not so important. It's important, I guess, for the people who travel on occasional basis, but me, I travel so much. I don't need to buy souvenir. Maybe a magnet for my fridge, and that's enough. So those t-shirts here are really nice. You can get a fancy shirt for yourself or a fancy dress. So we are at the end of that small gallery. Let's see that old car. Are you a car expert? Do you know what type of model is this? I have no idea. Is this Cortina? Ford Cortina. Yeah. I think I had one, a toy version of this when I was little, back in the day. So let's go back and continue our visit of Thalang Road. Nice shot, I really like that one. Hello. So I guess people they come here and they sit here and they take a selfie with the Phuket sign and the old building. It's really nice. This spot is also really nice. This one also for selfie. It's a selfie paradise. Sadly, I am not that much into selfie myself. Okay, let's get out. You know, I am interested to make a long stay visa. You know, maybe a student visa or elite visa, and then I can stay here a lot more time. But I am not sure where I will stay yet. Maybe I stay in Phuket. It's possible I stay in Phuket. I don't know where in Phuket exactly. Maybe I stay in Bangkok, maybe Pattaya. I have no idea yet. That will be interesting to explore those options in the next couple of months. So yeah, that's the most famous selfie spot here. Really nice and beautiful. Hey, I am kind of on a selfie here. Hi. Okay. We continue. So now I am not on Thalang Road, I am on a road that is adjacent to it, connected road to Thalang Road. So this place is interesting if you want some dessert. Hello.
Hello.
You visit from where?
Nepal.
Nepal. Oh.
You from?
Belgium.
Belgium. I think you should plan to go to Nepal. It's a beautiful place.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a really interesting place. I look forward to it, to go there. Let's go back. Yum yum, the dessert. The nice dress. You know those dresses, you can rent them in a shop there. You rent the dress and then you come here to make the selfie. So you don't need to buy the dress. That's a really good concept. So some more touristy shop. So yeah, a lot of souvenirs, and you can barter the price, negotiate, have some discounts. The favorite word of tourists, give me a discount. Okay, we're almost at the end. Here you have a lot of fabric. Like if you like Indonesian and Thailand style, you can buy some fabric. Price fine, and in some cases you will pay less here than in Bangkok. I know this because I went there last week in Bangkok with my mother, and then we came here and we were surprised by the price. Yeah. El Cafe, look like a great coffee place there. Look like a great massage salon here. Oh, I am already at the end of Thalang Road. So you have seen it. It's not so big. It's really a place to make photo, have an ice cream or a coffee, something like this, a dessert, and maybe buy a shirt or a dress with some nice fabric like in that store, and that's it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.